Hello everyone, welcome to Dandan Chinese. I'm Dandan. Today we're going to learn this character. This is I. I. Now let's see what's this character originally like. It's like this. It means to love. And the traditional Chinese character of I is like this, so it's different from the simplified character. This is the development process of I. Okay, now let's see how to remember this character. We need to know how the ancient Chinese people invented I at the first place. I divided this character into 3 parts. Let's see the green part. Actually, this is also a Chinese character, means have a gasp. Now it means somebody is open their mouth to say something. And then let's see the red part. It means heart. And last, the blue part. It means somebody is running to do something. So, what's the story of I? Is if you are saying something, you're saying your needs, and it goes to the heart of someone who is loving you, and he is gonna run to do it for you. Now the character changed. First, the green part, and then the red part, and last, the blue part. So this is the traditional Chinese character of I. But it's still a little bit difficult to write. So we changed the middle part a little bit, like this. This is how we write I today. Okay, now can you remember it? It's time for us to write this character. I hope you could prepare a pen and a piece of paper so we can write it together. We're gonna write this character for 3 times. Are you ready? Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 10 strokes. Now let's write it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last time. Okay, now I hope you can practice it by yourself. How to use this character? The first usage is use it as a verb. For example, 喜爱，喜爱，爱护，爱护。The second usage is use it as an adjective. For example, 爱人，爱人，爱心，爱心。Okay, so much for I today. I'll see you next time. Bye.